Hello, Pi Network community. Let's talk about the Pi Network latest update for today. As you see on the central exchange, like this BitJet app central exchange, the current price of Pi Network is 0.09. Let's say around 0.10. Okay, that is the market capitalization is about a 1.08 billion with over 10.9 billion pi in circulation. So we can check, just click the about, and then you will see the Pi network key data. And you will see circulating supply is 10.91 billion. What is the reason? Is is this the reason why the price dropped for 0.09? So let's talk about it. The biggest reason behind the recent decline is the large token unlock happening this month. Around 103.7 million Pi tokens are scheduled for unlock in July 2026. When more tokens available, some holders sell, increasing supply and putting pressure on the price. So, investors are waiting to see if new demand can absorb this additional supply. Excuse me. But this doesn't necessarily mean Pi Network is failing. It means the market is going through a period of increased selling pressure. And the positive news for Pi Network, despite the price weaknesses, there are several encouraging developments. The first is the Pi Today. The Pi Today introduced new products. So the PyCore team recently launched new ecosystem tools including the Pi Verify, the Pi Sign In, and the Solo Host. Excuse me for that cough. These products are designed to increase real-world utility for the Pi ecosystem instead of relying only on speculation. Um, the One of the strong positive for Pi Network is ecosystem is still growing. Developers continue building applications on Pi Network, and the ecosystem is expanding with new services and utilities. Continued development is generally viewed as a positive long-term sign. And what I think is the number three, the strong global community. Pi Network remains one of the world's largest crypto communities with millions of users and pioneers participating worldwide. A large community can be a significant advantage if ecosystem adoption continues. The future of Pi Network, many investors are asking, can this Pi token recover? What do you think? This can is this token can recover this project? I mean, is this project this value can recover? The answer depends on several key factors. What could push Pi Network token higher? Um, More businesses accepting Pi as payment, more decentralized applications or dApps using Pi, increased real-world utility from new ecosystem products, listings on additional major exchanges. Excuse me. Reduce selling pressure after the current token unlock period. And what is the risk? Pi still faces important challenges, and this is one of the risking thing, there are large token unlocks, and this can continue creating selling pressure. The ecosystem needs stronger real-world adoption, and crypto market conditions remain volatile. Um, at today's price of around 0.09, many long-term supporters believe Pi is a decent uh, development, I mean, in a development phase rather than a finished product. If the ecosystem continues expanding and adoption increases, sentiment could improve over time. However, future price performance is uncertain and will depend on execution, market demand, and broader crypto conditions. And for long-term pioneers, the most important indicators to watch are growth of the Pi ecosystem, new applications and merchants, user adoption, exchange listings, hopefully to Binance and sooner Coinbase. We will see continued development by the Pi core team. And price alone doesn't determine a project future. Real utility and adoption are often the bigger drivers over the long run. Um, Although the price is currently around 0.09 on Central Exchange, the KYB partners like BitGet and OKX and the other exchanges, remember that the cryptocurrency market moves in cycles. Short-term price declines don't always determine the long-term future of a project. What matters most now is whether the PyCore team continues building the ecosystem, attracting developers, and creating real-world utility for Pi. If adoption continues to grow, today's price could simply become another chapter in Pi Network's journey. And as always, do your own research before making any investment decisions. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered final advice. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe Pi Network can recover and reach new highs in the future? Or do you think more challenges are ahead? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notification bell so you never miss the latest crypto news or Pi Network news or